What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Swin Nation, man. And today we're just doing a quick little install video. And what we are installing today is, as you already seen by the title, a new phone mount with the 12-volt USB charging kit inside. So let me get it out the box. Bear with me. Take a look at it. So we're gonna be installing this boy right there. Oops, upside down, right there. So I'm gonna get this going and show y'all the process, man. It's nothing crazy. I already read the instructions. So what we got to do is remove these top two lower bolts. Bolts are a little tight because they have Loctite on them from the factory. Ooh, dropped one of the spacers in there. Luckily I have a kit with a bunch of them, so as you see it has yellow Loctite on them. I literally just dropped one of these, y'all, so make sure you be careful with these. Luckily I have a whole washer kit, and hopefully I can find that one when I get in there. Almost got it. Woo, that was a close one. All right, so the kit also requires that you use blue Loctite when putting this back on, when putting in the new bolts. All right, so I got my Harbor Freight blue Loctite, and when you put it on there, you want to put it on half threads according to the instructions. So we're going to put it on half these threads, and then as you see, she's going to drop down like so. So let me get the bolts on. Got the blue Loctite on. Now we're gonna make sure we hold everything as one. I kind of want to place it down all at the same time. So hold it all together. Then I'm gonna hand start them. Definitely don't want to cross thread these bad boys. So get them hand started. This cord, man, I'm probably run, I probably should run this cord underneath first, since I want to tuck it underneath. All right, back to hand tightening. What? Those bolts are actually bigger. 5/16. So it jumps up to a 5/16, y'all. That's good to know. We'll get this wrench down. That side down. Now this cord, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this cord just yet. I know there's a outlet over here where I can plug it in and tie it in, so we'll get to that in a second. Oh, you know what? Almost forgot the mount, y'all. Whoo! See, that's why y'all gotta watch videos, man, because we make the mistakes for y'all. Yo, you gotta put your mount in there first before you technically actually put this on. So if you're gonna be rocking out with this mount, I highly recommend you get this installed. So real quick, I'm gonna back this out, y'all. All right, so we have the RAM mount on there, or the knob. This is a 11mm socket or wrench that you're gonna need to put this on there. All right, so let's get this going back on there now. So back at it, y'all. Boom. Coupler. Remember, I have the washer in there. Same thing for this side. Get our coupler. I'm gonna hold it down with the mount. Slap it in there. Hand tighten it again. Trying to figure out where I want this cord to go. Honestly, we're gonna run this to the inside. I need to grab some wire cutters to cut this. Let's get this in. All right. Uh-oh. All right. Get this installed. Alright, get it tight, and then I have to grab the torque wrench to torque this bad boy down. Alright, let me go check the torque specs. Got it, y'all. So I ran my wire. I ran it to the seat, man. I didn't feel like messing around with the battery because the batteries in the Can-Am Spyders are a pain in the butt to get to. So I ran it to this yellow or this pink wire right here, which was the power wire that, you know, feeds constant power from the seat down to the compressor or ECM or something like that. Either way it goes, it gave me a constant hot. And then I used, as you can see down there, that as my ground. So I tested everything, works good. So now I'm gonna just button everything up. All right, you got it. She got it. She got her phone mount. Oh man, now she's doing the phone mount dance. Power outlet. I did have that cord. I know y'all saw the cord earlier. The cord's gone. Now it's tucked underneath, not over.
Oh, got it.
Yep.
Just need cleaned up.
Just clean it.
And I'm good to
She's
go.
ready to hit the road.